Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, we have moving boxes, so that means that we are moving. I can't believe it's been a year already, guys. Can you guys believe it? It's been a year. I've been living on my own and I survived. Can you guys believe that? The camera kind of lean. Yes, so I'll be moving tomorrow. So today I'm just gonna try to get some things done. I rented a car because I just need it so that I can get around easier to and from this place. I hired movers to move like all my big furniture, but I know I'm gonna need transportation to like come back to like clean the apartment. There's not much cleaning to do anyways because your girl keep her apartment clean. Like, yeah, so I just wanna head out right now to go collect this car from the person I rented it from, and it's raining and I left my umbrella at work, so I'm gonna have to go to work, collect my umbrella, then go on my journey because I need my umbrella. I don't want them teeth it. It's a good umbrella. Anyways, yes guys, so you guys gonna hang out with me for the next 2 days while I move, and I'll tell you guys a little bit more about why I'm moving. Okay, I'll see you guys. Hey you guys, oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I look homeless. But guess what? It's moving day. Yes guys, so I'm moving out of my current apartment. It's been 1 year and almost a month strong here. Y'all remember when I got this apartment? It was just 4 walls, empty, nothing. I know I have a million things to live with, but anyways, I'm grateful. Moving out of here, one thing I can say, the Toronto rental market is a scam. The biggest scam. Okay, they're the biggest scammers out there. But yeah guys, like, I'm waiting on my movers to get here. They should have been here an hour ago, and here I am moving after they're like, oh, make sure you're on time, all of that. But yet still I'm here waiting on you guys. What? Yeah guys, so it's been a good 1 year, first year living on my own. What is that? Never really make no memories in here, but I did achieve a lot of stuff that I wanted to, so that's great. And yeah, we're moving on to the next chapter. But boy, moving, it's hackling and tiring, and it's everything I do not want to do again. Guys, 3 hours later. 3 hours later. Is it even three? Um 8:30, 9:30, 10:30. Yeah, almost 3 hours later. The moving guys are just arriving and I'm very upset because this throughout my entire day. I'm up for 7 o'clock, you know? I'll wait for them people here. It's now 10 minutes to 11. It's almost back to the empty unit. So majority of my stuff is not majority, like almost everything. I have a few stuff left that I need to pack up, but thing it's back to the walls, guys, back to the walls, like empty. Gotta fix that. Room's empty. I'm gonna bring that with me later when I come back because me never empty it out. So yeah. So I'm gonna make my way over. Apparently they didn't even start loading the truck. Guys, this will take way longer than me did expect it to take. Like way longer. So I still have my dirty clothes. I'm just gonna dash those in a garbage bag. Yeah. These guys were done packing the truck. Look where them left me things them right down here, so. What the heck? And I don't see them. I don't see the truck. Where did they go? Them a kill time for my bill, you know. That's what they're doing. And I'll fight. Guys, look at these chandeliers. They're so pretty. I honestly can't with these people, these movers. So guys, I finally arrived and Of course, the moving people are still not here, but this is my new apartment. The bathroom is definitely smaller than the last one, but look at this shower head though. Like, I love that. It's definitely smaller, but look at this mirror, guys. First of all, it comes with its own LED light, like, and it has mirror on both sides and inside. Oh my god, this is so me. And of course we have that little welcome area I'm gonna do something with. Coat closet, kitchen. Guys, first of all, this stove way bigger, and this oven is way bigger than the one that I had before. Oh my gosh, I love that. And the dishwasher is hidden. I also love that. This is the living room space. So I can do a couple things with this. It's bigger, definitely bigger than my past unit. The fridge is even bigger, guys. Like, oh my god, they got me a little gift. I don't know what's in the box yet, but yeah, the little toad, I turned it around because I don't want you guys to see the name's on the cup too. Yeah, everything good, everything iron. Moving around, we have the washer dryer area. Guys, everything in this unit is just bigger. Look at this washer and dryer. This is way bigger than the one that I had. The one that I had was this small. Then I have my bedroom. My bedroom is definitely bigger also. So the bed can go over there. Like 2 queen size bed can fit in here. And the beauty about that is I also get my own little balcony. It won't clean, guys. It needs to be cleaned. Look at all that shit. So I get my own balcony in my room, and I also get a big balcony over here. Like, what? And it extends all the way down to here. Hey guys, so I'm just waiting for those people to come. Oh, I see them. See you guys later. Hey guys, oh my gosh. When I hear my voice, this move was so stressful, hectic, like I couldn't even pick up the camera. But the good thing is I did get a lot of stuff done already. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff packed out already and everything. Just sucks I have to go to work today and I'm so tired. I'm so tired, man. But I just had to grab some I need some laundry detergent because I need to wash a lot of stuff that, you know, got dirty in the moving or dusty, all of that. And yeah, grab some detergent and whatever I can find. You go to a grocery store, you know you're gonna want more than just what you go for. So let's see. So guys, yeah, this is what's done so far. It is pretty similar to my last apartment, but I have way more space. As I told you guys, my camera is blurry. Spread my bed. This is what it looks like so far. Yeah, I still have stuff in the boxes, but majority of my stuff got packed out already. Yeah, I just need to do some cleaning. Guys, so I'm gonna do my final walkthrough of my apartment and leave my keys. Goodbye to all of this. It's so empty. I could hear myself echoing. My gosh. All gone. See guys, this room is small. You see how my other room's way bigger. The only thing, this washroom is bigger and my other washroom is smaller. Yeah, so I'm here to collect my modem and then I'm gonna hand over the keys. Oh man, guys.
Head south on Bathurst Street toward Front Street West, then turn left onto Front Street West.
Here, this is a GPS saying in my video. I'm going to miss this, guys. Good morning, guys. What is that? Look at the state of my kitchen. It's a mess. Anyways, guys, so night 2 in my apartment went well, and moving then going back to work is definitely not something you should do. Look at this sunshine. Yeah, man, celebrate this and get some sun still. Not something you should do. And I'm just so tired, honestly. I'm so tired. I don't know when I go finish pack out the house. I don't know when I'm going to decorate, set up, do all of that stuff, because I'm tired and I have work and this is exhausting. I'm gonna feel like me I move anytime soon again, unless it's for a very significant reason. My face look dry. Yeah, guys, and I'm hungry. I'm just currently waiting on my, what do they call them? My, give me the word. My, not AC technician. Why is AC technician on my mind? I'm waiting on my Wi-Fi person to come so that I can get Wi-Fi set up and all of that. The people I'm waiting from 8 o'clock, so one technician on the way, and it's now almost 11 and nobody's here. So I'm currently waiting on them, so I'm gonna get some breakfast. First time cooking here. I'm gonna make myself some breakfast and then, yeah, wait upon them, I guess. Alright, after that I have to go to work. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end out this video here, and then I'll give you guys like a video with me decorating and all of that stuff. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching as usual, but you guys gonna watch me make breakfast first. Alright, see ya. So guys, this is breakfast. It looks very, very, very sloppy. I didn't do any kind of good plating, but look at my cut finger too. So yes, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Thank you guys. Food up on my mouth. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you guys soon.